In this video, we're going to look at reduced balance depreciation, and like my little riddle curb, compound interest is the friend of reduced balance. So it's the compound interest formula just with a negative. And so that's just to, ironically, that's just to get you the formula. A car costing 198,000, so that's your starting amount, has a book value, ends up being worth 102,000 after 3 years. So your years is 3. If the car depreciates at R% on reduced balance, calculate R. And so what we're going to do is first we're going to divide the 198,000. I find that that's often a useful way to start, and so you can do that on your calculator so long as I do it on mine, and I end up with an answer of 0.518, and I'm just keeping all my decimals. The next thing that I want to do is I want to cube root it to get rid of that power of 3, and so I'm going to just go cube root, and I'm not going to type in this 0.518. I'm going to just press answer, so cube root of the answer, and I get 0.80, and again I keep all my decimals on my calculator. I like to take the rate to where it's positive, and so I'm going to just move this across. So I'm going to say 1 minus, again, just answer. And that gives me an answer of 0.196. And you need it as a percentage. And so all that you have to do to finish is times it by 100. And that gives your exact interest rate, which is 19.64%. What's probably good to say and to do is just so that your teacher or your examiner knows where it all came from, is where if I've got R, I'm just going to put it over 100 because I'm wanting to convert it into a percent, so that at this stage here I'm timesing by 100, and that's how I got to my final answer. If you have time in an exam, you could put that answer back in here and type in this portion of the question with your answer for R and see if it spits out this exact answer. That's a nice way to check. I hope that you find that helpful for a little example on reduced balance depreciation. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks.